I'm actually a bowler. I've been bowling for like 25 years, and I love bowling. And I have a son with special needs, so I feel like that bowling is a sport that any person with any physical capabilities can do. So this year is special because my son is one of the middle schoolers that is joining us. But the whole purpose of having the middle school join us is so that they actually have a couple of familiar faces when they come up from the middle school as a 9th grader. They kind of, they get to know us, and I know that they're already interested in the bowling, so I kind of hunt down the 8th graders when they become a 9th grader and have those join us.
So this is actually my first year with Unified Bowling, and the reason that I became one of the assistant coaches, or the assistant coach this year, is because Miss Taylor was a teacher here and she moved on to another school, so the position became open, and I'm so happy that I was able to take over for her. What's really cool about Unified Bowling is that all students that are involved have excellent weeks here and there, and we get to celebrate those accomplishments.
I've made a lot of friends over the last 4 years of Unified Bowling.
Unified Bowling is one of my favorite sports anyway, so.
Bowling with friends.
My favorite playing was doing grip for the strikes of the knock the bowling ball strikes time.
Coordinating with the bowling alley, raising money, there was a lot that went into it. Totally worth it though.
It couldn't have been any better. Unified Bowling is one of the most rewarding things I have ever done at Dartmouth High School. It's so much fun, and I recommend anybody who'd like to try it out next year to come join us because we have so much fun.